Okay, so here's this bulb, and the left one should be the minus, the top one the plus for the low beam, and the right one the plus for the high beam. So let's try it, and let's see if the fan will be spinning or not. So minus there and plus there. Yes, you can hear the fan. It's spinning. Now let's try the high beam. Also spinning. Now let's try the other bulb. Low beam. And nothing. There's a sound, but the fan is not spinning. Okay, let's try the high beam. High beam is working. So the fan for the low beam is not spinning. 2 plus 2 tiny screws were removed. Here's the fan. And there's thermal paste between the LED and that black metal. And that's the inside. That's the inside. Now, was it this way or that way? So both bulbs are working. Okay, let's measure the power consumption. That will be the low beam. 2.1 amps for the low beam. And about the same for the high beam. Okay, now I will connect two light bulbs in series to lower the voltage. So the 12 volts DC will be around half, and with half of that voltage it's not doing almost anything. It's blinking a little bit, but it's not turning on. And with double the voltage, that is 12 volts, of course it's working. So the voltage can be too low. Okay, now I have two of them connected in parallel, and of course that will work. Okay, so these light bulbs are working for a few minutes, and the temperature is not too hot. There is almost cool at the end, slightly warmer there, and the tip is the hottest, this one. you can't really keep your hand on the tip, but the rest is, here is only warm, there is almost cool. I can keep my finger on it, but not on the tip. And the fan here at the end is pushing the air to the right, to the front, to these heatsink fins. So suction and exhaust. Another interesting part is that you can connect the power in any direction. So currently this one, the left one, is the minus, and that would be a plus and another plus, but you can connect the minus here and the plus there, minus there and plus there. It doesn't matter, it works in every direction. So that's the default way, that's the low beam, and it's working. Okay, and if we reverse it, put the minus to the middle and the plus to the minus, it's still working. You can put the minus to the high beams plus, and it's still working. Minus to high beams plus, and it's working. Plus cable to the minus, and it's still working. So every possible combination, it's okay. Tehát az égő a kocsi lámpájába így van, a középsővel felfele, így van betéve, azaz ez a kicsi tányér felfele veri a fényt a baloldali wolframból. Két láb lent van, és a szélesebbik fent van. So the bulb on the right side looks a bit brighter than this one. That's the high beam, and that's the LED. Low beam, high beam. The cutoff is almost the same. I can adjust it. That's the lowest setting. That was before. That's the highest. That's the lowest. You can adjust it from down here. But the cutoff line is almost the same. A slightly bit higher here on this side compared to that one. Okay, now I'm going to adjust the height of the low beam. And sincerely, the incandescent light bulb looks somewhat brighter. This one has to be the incandescent, and that's the LED. And I don't really see the LED. The incandescent has a more sharper cutoff, thus it's more visible. So that's the low beam. That's the high beam. Come on, cars, go away. High beam. The right side is brighter. The left is not that bright. So the LED might not be the best one because of the color temperature, which is colder. So the LED is on the right side. Might look brighter slightly. If you mount this rubber, then the LED can be cooled. The heatsink fins are totally covered by this rubber.